Kumshibanta jong ka jing rakhe ya ka World Tobacco Day ni ka jing pyrshah ya ka jingsniew jong uduma ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo ka lapan long ya ka jing ya pa ba ne ka rally bat ka jing ya soy ne signature campaign ban ong em ya uduma bat ban pinchlo ya baro ban sange ya ka jing pendon kam ya uduma o ba pinsnew ya ka koi ka kya ya ka ne ka jing ya rally lasdang na ka compound jong ka school langba ka nongpo sha DTO office bat lawan 5 yang sha school ha ka bla shimbanta shir rem na ki khynnah school ki bla parta ya ka sur sange ya ka jingdi bat jingbam duma lara ru ya ki banners bat ki plakat ki badon ni ki jing tho baper biadei bat ki jingsniew bat ki jingma ka koi ka kia na ka daw jong ka jing pendon kam ya uduma imis dayar perban bat imis degresia kharbangar ki badei kinohi ka jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo kilong baga jingpan long ya karali bat ka signature campaign kalong man pinsno tho pa ba shakinong shong shinong halo ka jingsniew bat ka jingma ka bami na ka daw jong uduma.
Today we organized this anti-tobacco rally that is from Alpha English School, and we're doing this so that we'll create awareness amongst all the people, even in the school itself. Even students, we see nowadays they're taking tobacco, so this is not only an awareness for the people around in the area, but also for the students so that they may also not take tobacco. And tobacco nowadays has been very rampant, so I believe that this rally will create some kind of awareness that people will not use tobacco, and since it's really injurious to health, not just to the people smoking, but also to the ones around those smoking. So I believe that this rally will somehow help create that awareness in their minds that it should not be done, and the students themselves are the ones taking to the streets so that we will stop everyone, create this awareness that they will not take tobacco. So I believe that it was quite successful. We went all around here in Mawphor till the DTO and came back to school. So I believe the people, maybe not everyone, but a lot of people has gotten the message. And I think that, and I believe that it will become more successful. And I thank the school and I thank everyone involved in this, even the students themselves.